to Bexley North. First stop?
Macarthur.
Yeah.
Marie, Benny Hills, Kingsway, Bexley.
Fantastic. What are you looking forward to about Bexley North, Harry?
Let's go.
Next stop, Padstow.
Padstow. Let's show everyone the empty carriage. There's no one else on the train, is there?
No.
That's nice. Train. What train is it, Harry? Daisy, do you like trains?
Trains.
Yeah.
This train will stop at Padstow.
So who do you have on your train ride today? Featuring Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear's come on the trip with us, hasn't he?
Oh.
What do we have with us today, Harry?
Daisy and Mommy.
Oh, we do have Daisy and Mummy, but we also have umbrellas.
Next stop, Riverwood.
How many more stops, Harry?
Redwood, Marie, Benny Hills, Kingsway, Bexley North.
That's where we're going. Yay!
I think we got the wrong train, right?
No, we got the right train. It was good.
We got the wrong train to be set, right, Mommy?
I don't know.
Yes.
Look, water.
Wow.
Stormy outside.
This train will stop at Riverwood.
Daisy, is Daisy sitting there? Stop.
Thanks for holding the umbrellas, Harry.
Oh, they have breakdowns at Bexley.
Is there? Cheese! Is that looking? Alright, let's get the train going. Hold a hand. Wait, Harry. Harry, wait. Let's explore the station. Come this way. Bexley North.
Mommy, can I go?
We probably don't need to go all the way. All right. Look, there's a Coca-Cola machine.
It's a rat. It's a rat.
Harry, there's a lift.
Wow, Daisy, there's a lift.
Daisy, there's a lift. Oh, we got to tap out. Daisy, do you want to press the button? Ooh, it's a nice button. Look at it.
What's it?
You press it. Oh, out of service. It doesn't work. We have to catch the stairs. We'll take the stairs. Uh-oh. Broken.
Why isn't it broken?
Just lucky, I guess. I think we go this way. It is out of service.
The train on platform 2 goes to Revesby. First stop Kingsgrove, then all stations to Revesby.
Is it a B set, Harry? Wait. What type of train is it, Harry? Oh, Daisy, what do you think of Bexley North?
Bexley North has cafe.
Yeah? Was it a good cafe? What about the lift?
Yes.
There was a lift, but was it broken?
Yes.
Next stop, Kingsgrove.
What else? Any dogs?
No.
Great. Anything else we want to say about Bexley North?
Let's see.
Did you like it?